Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility, the watch model, carrier support, and that your iPhone is updated and signed into the same Apple ID. Once done, open the watch app on your iPhone, tap Cellular, then choose Set up Cellular. You tap through carrier prompts. They provision an eSIM tied to your phone number. Do this now so the carrier can add the plan. This step attaches service and verifies billing, which is why carrier credentials and an active account are required. Next, you follow the carrier enrollment flow, accept terms, choose a plan if prompted, and enter payment or account details. The iPhone sends provisioning information to the watch. During activation, you may see a progress indicator. Make sure Cellular is enabled on the watch, then configure which apps may use Cellular and whether data roaming is allowed. You do this so essential apps work independently. Once the eSIM is active, the watch can make calls and use data away from your iPhone. Finally, verify service. Look for the green cellular dots or icon on the watch, then place a quick call or load a map to confirm data. If activation stalls, restart the watch and iPhone and try reopening the watch app to reinitiate setup. Sometimes toggling airplane mode helps. If errors persist, contact your carrier to confirm eSIM provisioning and plan status. This troubleshooting tip, restart then carrier check, resolves most issues because it clears temporary network or provisioning glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.